So, ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Instagram app. And dito guys, pagka-open mula sa pinakang newsfeed or homepage ng ating Instagram, pumunta lang tayo sa pinakang profile. And then, after nyan, dito sa ating profile guys, itap nyo lang yung three horizontal lines na nandito sa upper right corner. And then, after nyan guys, dito sa settings and activity, itap nyo lang dito yung your activity. And then, after nyan guys, dito naman is scroll up nyo lang. And hanapin nyo guys dito yung recently deleted. So, tap nyo lang yung recently deleted. And dito guys, lalabas dito yung mga recently deleted posts ninyo sa Instagram. So, take note lang guys, nag-auto-delete din yung nakalagay dito sa recently deleted after 30 days. So, kung makikita nyo guys, ma-auto-delete itong post na to is after 26 days. Is ito naman after 5 days, and then ito namang isa is after 5 days din. So, nag-auto-delete siya guys after 30 days or 1 month. So, kung hindi pa siya nagwa 1 month or 30 days, dito nyo lang makikita yung mga recently deleted post ninyo sa Instagram. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple.